Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another embagging. I got it out of the bag, and this is from Tide Outdoor, or Outdoor Tide. I think it's Outdoor Tide. Oh my goodness. I'm so confused already. Oh my goodness. All right. So there are two stamped cross-stitch kits. Let's get them out of the bag. Nice big huge bag for a itty-bitty thing. It's not real wide. And this one is 30 by 53. And it was $7.73. Comes with a big paper pattern, and I will show you the picture here. There you go. And it's long and skinny. I don't see any smudges or anything there. This has 40 colors, and it's 30 by 53. Whoa. Lots and lots of colors. We have 310 black, no 550 purple. Let's see, we have no 823. We do have 939. We have 3371 and no 3865. But very well printed pattern. Very nice, very big. Hold it right there as still as I possibly can. Very nice. I just love that picture. Isn't that not cool? Awesome. Let's see what else is in the bag here. Oh, we have a toolkit with the puppy dogs on it that you probably can't see. But we have 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And we have an instruction page like comes in all the other kits. Very nice. Let me move these scissors just so I don't knock them off. And let's take a look at the threads. It is an 11 count. I don't know if I said that or not. Get rid of that plastic baggie. So we have 2 hanks of thread. One is 939. One is 924. And get everybody unwound here. It'll take a hot moment. Give it a second. All right. So we have some yellows and kind of it's more green than teal. It does have a little bit of blue in it, but very pretty colors. There just doesn't seem like a lot of thread. I know you probably got background, but dang. And these are the 2 that come in a hank. Whoop, I had that backwards, but you get the point. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Beautiful. And I just thought the picture was just kind of different. Does that make any sense? Just very nice. Put that up there. And we got fuzzies on the end here, so we'll try to get all them off. Of course I need my scissors since I put them away. All right, get that out of the way. Let's take a look at this canvas. Like I said, it's not very wide. I'm going to run it this way. Oh, I'm just having technical issues today, I'm telling you. But like I said, it's not very big. So you got that big area up there. And then all the rest of it's in the middle. And then there's some bigger areas around the bottom. And might be a little bit confettied, you know, here and there, you know, especially when it's working on detail. And you know with 40 colors, it's going to be detailed. Looking for my thing. All right. So it is 21 inches or 53.5 centimeters. So it's a little bit longer than it said it was. And it's 30 centimeters or dang near 12 inches. Actual picture size is, I'm trying, a little over 9¼ inches this way, or 23.5 centimeters. And it's 47.5 centimeters this way, and almost 18¾ inches. So not very big. It's 103 by 207. So it has a product number, how big it is here, and how many squares per square. But this is a nice size. Very nice. And the canvas is very well done. Nice, dark, easy to see symbols. Like that. So for under $8, that's a pretty good deal. All right, let's take a look at the second one. All right. So, here is the picture. Yeah, I'm having issues with my video editor, so I won't be able to put a bigger picture here until I figure that part out. What can I say? So, yeah, but it's kind of similar to the other one, but it does have some extra elements in there. So it's the same size, 30 by 53, $7.73. Oh, and this pattern's all messed up down here. Well, it's just blotchy. I usually do not use my pattern, but I will let them know. The other one was perfect. Just perfect. This has 40 colors as well. We have 310 black, 823, 939, 3371, and no 3865. But the top part's good. It's just when they folded this, it must have been wet or something, because it's all kind of blotchy, if you will. But the, what do you call it? The symbols and the DMC numbers, this is all nice and clear. So, yeah. Not real happy with that, but, you know, it is what it is. And let's see. It does have an instruction page. It's just one page. The same one that comes with all of them. It does have a toolkit. We have a butterfly with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. It's a pretty butterfly. Yeah. Let's take a look at the threads. It does have a sticker. So did the other one. 30 by 53 and the product number here. So that product number will match the number on the paper pattern, canvas, and every place else. This has kind of autumn colors to it. Get rid of that. So there's no extra hanks in this one. I'm not sure why. Maybe everything's on the thread card here. They do that sometimes too. Oh yeah, we got some big areas here. Well, I'm trying. So, we have browns and oranges and tans and kind of a rusty brown. But we have other colors too, if I could just get it undone. So we have the 310 black. There's a lot there, and this is the 823. excuse me. Well, did I miss something? I guess there should have been a Hank because there's, let me look, number 27. Number 27 is 939, and it's the blue, and we should have had a Hank of thread, but there wasn't one, so I will let them know that as well. But beautiful colors all the same. Very gorgeous, very autumny looking. I love that color. That's kind of pretty. It's kind of a coral. I hope that's coming out as well as it's supposed to. But I did not see a Hank of 939 at all. Now, maybe I missed something somewhere and it dropped, but nope. Just looking, nope. Not there. Well, I will let them know about that. I've only reviewed for them one other time, and everything that I remember went just fine. Let's take a look at this canvas. Canvas is kind of dark. It's the same size as the other one, and it looks like it got wet because it is smeared. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, this will be pretty much trash. And see, you know, if they'll send me another kit or not. But yeah, all of the symbols are smeared. 53 centimeters and 30.5 centimeters that way. Same size as the other. But yeah, I'm kind of upset. The canvas looks like it got wet because whatever was wet smeared even the number. That's supposed to be whatever it is. I can't really tell, but it smeared all the others. So yeah, I'm not going any further with that one. Okay, so that's all I got from them. Thank you, Outdoor Tide, for the two kits. They do have cross stitch, diamond painting, paint by number. They have lots to choose from there. And they have, in cross stitch, they have stamped and counted. They have 14, 11, 16, and 18 as well. I didn't see any other thing other than that. I mean, it's, you know, any other crafts, but they have tools and crafts for the three majors that I told you about. So I guess that's it, and I will let you know what they said. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless.